Accounting for management. In the previous session, we have discussed about what is meant by accounting for management and what are the meanings and concept of accounting for management. In the last session, we have discussed what are the major characteristics or features of accounting for management, or synonymously, we can call it as management accounting. Next, we will discuss about the scope of management accounting. The scope of management actually means what are the various disciplines or areas in which the management accounting focuses on, and the various tools and techniques that the management accounting borrows from various subjects or disciplines. And one such is financial accounting. We all know financial accounting is preparation of financial statements of an organization. And financial accounting provides historical data to the management which are used as the basis for many managerial decisions. And the management accounting uses such data for taking decisions to overcome not only day-to-day issues or day-to-day activities as well plans for the future. Thus, it helps in evaluation of performance where actual data are compared with estimates or standards. Next one, cost accounting. We all know cost accounting means cost accounting deals with cost of various products, cost of materials, how to ascertain cost, various tools, techniques, and all. The cost accounting is a very wide area which deals entirely with cost and cost related aspects. Management accounting uses such tools and techniques of cost accounting. Next one, budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting means, budget means blueprint of an action. And the management accounting uses extensively the various methods of budgeting so as to make control to help the management in planning, control, and coordination. In budgeting, we actually compare the actual performance with standard performance. The same activity is used in management accounting, where managers compare the actual performance of the organization with the standard performance of the organization. And in case of any deviations, corrective measures are taken. Next one, inventory control. Inventory control is the most important aspect of an organization because it is the area in which the majority of the major part of the capital is drained out. So whoever or dealing the area of controlling the inventory has to make the proper care of how to maintain and control these areas. And inventory control very well perform the area of how to maintain the inventory, and the entire activities begin from acquiring raw materials to finished goods. So it is very important area in which the organization as a whole has to take necessary actions. So it's up to the organization top level to take necessary steps in controlling the inventory. And the management accounting uses such inventory control techniques to maintain a proper system of acquiring, maintaining, and controlling the inventory so as to minimize the cost. Next one, statistical methods. In actual statistical method means management accounting has borrowed some of the tools and techniques of various statistics such as probability, regression, sampling. All such methods are used by the management for taking and planning and estimating for the organization. Next one, office services. In office services simply means proper filing, proper documentation, communication, channelizing. The management accounting uses the exact functions of office services because the management accounting also maintains a proper communication of information between managers and different levels of organization. It's not only the communication between from manager to different levels, at the same time it also deals with the flow of information or communication from different levels to managers. So there is a two-way communication, and the management accounting uses such services of office services. Next is taxation. Tax planning is an important area coming under management accounting. Almost all managerial decisions have implications on corporate tax. For example, replacement of an asset, lease or buy decision, mergers, acquisition, etc. Thus, tax planning helps management to reduce the burden of tax and increase the shareholders' wealth. And the management accounting uses the exact tools and techniques of taxation so as to maintain the performance of the organization, and so at the same time to reduce the burden of tax. Next one, management reporting. In management reporting, there is proper channelizing and communication as well as the reporting of various documents and information to certain sections of the organization. And the management accounting uses such management reporting methods for the proper communication and implementation of various plans, policies, objectives. Next one, capital budgeting. We all know capital budgeting means proper planning of long-term spending in fixed asset. A major part of the capital is used for long-term investments in fixed asset. So such area has to be given more important because once the decision regarding investment in fixed asset is taken, it cannot be reversed. So it's a very delicate area, and the capital budgeting very well performs the area of proper implementation of investment. And the management accounting uses such capital budgeting techniques for decision making regarding investment in fixed assets. Next one, price level accounting. In price level accounting, it dealt with the change in levels of prices, and on the basis of such changes, accounting methods are followed. Unlike in conventional financial accounting, it uses only historical data, but in price level accounting, it considers the changes in level of prices. The same exact method is used in management accounting also. Last but not the least, management information system. The simple meaning of management information system is use of various computer-based technology in management for assisting decision making. That is known as management information system. It is a newly developed area and it's an evolving area. And the management accounting use exact management information system methods, tools, techniques for effective implementation of various plans, policies in an organization. In the overall sense, the management accounting includes all the tools and techniques of all these methods or disciplines. Apart from these disciplines, it also borrows the various tools, methods from different disciplines. Because it's a very wider concept, management accounting. Thus, it has to deal with different areas, and for dealing different areas, the management accounting or management account team, they need information regarding various areas. That's why management accounting has a wider scope, and wider scope means various areas from which the management accounting acquire various tools and techniques. That's all for now. We will deal with the remaining in the next section.